welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making puff pastry mince pies. The first thing I'm going to do is take my shop bought puff pastry and cut circles using a cookie cutter. I'm now going to sprinkle some flour and use the leftover pastry and roll it out to make some more. I have lined my baking tray with grease-proof paper. I'm now going to take a top and a bottom of my pastry and fill it with mincemeat. Take a beaten egg and spread it around the edge . And take my top and press it over the top, pinching the sides together like so. And then placing it onto my baking tray. Now I'm going to take a knife and cut a little slit in the top . Spread some egg wash over the top. Take my granulated sugar and sprinkle over the top. I'm now going to bake in the centre of my oven for 15 to 25 minutes. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.